In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity in N8n and build an AI research automation. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding of how to set up an automated workflow that utilizes Perplexity right inside of N8n. Let's get started. First, navigate to the AI Workflow Automation Platform, N8n. If you're not familiar with N8n, it's a powerful tool used for workflow automation that connects various apps and services. It's especially useful for tasks that you want to automate, like pulling data or running specific processes without manual intervention. Once you're on the N8n site, you'll want to click on the Sign In option to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Signing in is the gateway to accessing your personalized dashboard and all of your workflows. It's like the control panel for all of the automation magic you're about to create. After signing in, proceed to the N8n dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your current workflows and the tools you need to create new ones. The dashboard provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily navigate through your ongoing projects and access the resources needed to create and modify workflows. Now, locate and click on the Create Workflow option. This effectively opens up a blank slate, so to speak, where you can start building your new workflow. Think of it as starting a new document. It's where all of your automation ideas come together. This is a crucial step, as it sets the stage for adding the elements you'll need for your task. Next, you'll want to click on the Add Nodes button. Nodes are essentially the building blocks of your workflow. They each represent a specific action or data process, making it possible for you to construct complex workflows with ease. Once you click Add Nodes, you'll be given the ability to search through a comprehensive list of available tools and services. Type in Perplexity in the search bar to find it among the available nodes. Perplexity is an AI-powered tool that analyzes and generates insights, which is particularly helpful for research automation. Once it appears in your search results, you're ready to integrate it into your workflow. Finally, click on Perplexity to add it to your workflow. This step is where you incorporate the AI capabilities of Perplexity directly into your automation process. From here, you'll be able to set parameters for how Perplexity should function within your workflow, tailoring it to your specific needs. There you have it. You've just set up a basic AI research automation workflow using Perplexity in N8n. With these steps, you've laid the foundation for automating your research tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more critical areas of your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.